You guys, what's up? I hope you are all fine. In this video, I will show how to get free VPs up to 64 gigabytes RAM, 8-core, 400 gigabytes disk. Let's start first. Join Legerity Host Discord link in description and comment. Pin and enable show all channel. And when you go down, you can see promotion video, like if someone has made video on this host. After that, you can check there. Paid plan. You can see you can get Minecraft server into cheap price. Ryzen 9/AMD both they have, and for first 10 buyer, 20% discount, so go and try fast. You can see their paid VPS plan, also see they are giving VPS into cheap, so you can buy and open your host. Now time for free VPS. How to get free VPS? Go to free plan and you can see you can get VPS by inviting 10 members, and they don't have IPv4 now, but it will be available in someday. So join and start inventing. After invite, you can make ticket and ping founder and ask for free VPS. After invite done. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.